to my website visalettergen.com. Basically, this website is all about generating letter for visas, and if people got parking fines as well in UK. And for the visa is for the whole world. It could be from Bangladesh, Pakistan, anyone. I just want to show you how to use my app. Say for example, you wanna generate a letter for a spouse visa letter. You come into my this is my website. You come into my website. You click on generate letter. And once you come into generate letter, so now you just need to fill out this. I filled it out before, so I just put, it says application full name and address. I filled out that. Okay, and then you scroll down. So you scroll down. You enter the UK VI address. So I just put London, but you need to give the full address. I'm just giving you an example. And then you tell them what type of visa it is. It says a spouse visa. So it's just so simple. Just few things you have to pull in: a relationship, husband, wife, the day you was married, sponsorship is my name, your job accountant, you're earning £29,000 a year, and where you plan to live in UK. So as soon as you do that, once you click on generate, which I'm not going to do in a bit, once you click on generate, then it will take you into the payment gateway. You just make the payment, and then you'll get your whole letter. So I'm just going to pause for a bit and fill out my details. So yes, that's it. He has generated the letter. As you can see, it gives all the addresses, everything. You could read through the letter. If you click onto that and scroll down, you could read what the letter says. So I'm not going to read it through. It tells you everything, and then it tells you what you need to put in as well automatically, the evidence you need to prove. So if I scroll back up again, I'm going to show you something. So all you do, you click on copy, and it's copied. Then you just go into your Word document. Okay, just choose a blank. Click on paste, and that's it. Now you can see it has copied everything. And now, say for example, tomorrow, say for example, in a month's time, the UK law changes and says you need more than 29,000 pound. You can read everything. If you're not happy with anything, all you do, you just click there and you just change whatever you need to change. Everything's perfect, and actually don't need really to change anything. But if you think there's something needs to be changed, you just change it because of if little errors, and you save it, and that's it. Your letter's done, and you could print it and send it off. And thank you for listening to me. Bye.